Okay, so it is early fall and the daisies definitely need a little bit of prune. All the new leaves are in and they're evergreen, so they'll stay green throughout the winter even when it's snowing. But there are some yellowed leaves that can be pulled up pretty easily. And the old stems kind of stick out awkwardly from the top. So in the middle of the growing season, I usually look down the stem to see if there are any buds, and then I cut the spent flower right above that. But these stems are completely dry, so I just go all the way down to the bottom and cut them down there. This will not grow back. You can see the stems are empty. You can follow all the way down, and you can snap some of them off. Just be careful not to pull the plant itself out with the roots. If you follow that stem, you can see that a new plant basically is growing off of it right here. This is the old stem, so you don't want to cut this part. You just want to cut the brown part. When you lift the leaves, sometimes you can see a lot of dead leaves or wilted leaves, and you can pull them up easily, which will instantly clean up the look of the plant. Some of the stems that have been wilted longer can be broken off, but if you pull, I'll see like that one just easily came up. It feels like straw actually. It's very crispy. This one looks like it might come up easily. You can shake it. If it doesn't come up, then don't pull on it, because if you do, oh, that one broke, but let's see. If you do, it'll pull out part of the plant with the roots. Technically, you could transplant this somewhere else. So to avoid that, I'm just going to cut these dead stems one by one. If you accidentally cut some of these leaves, don't worry about it. Just don't cut all of them. This is actually an oak tree growing from this plant, probably planted by a squirrel. And that'll probably be back. Yeah, I can't get that. So there you go, that's pretty much it. That's all I do to prep the daisies for next year. They'll stay green. If I walk by and I see something dead, I'll just pinch it off. But in the meantime, it's this nice little pretty clean clump of greens.